Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana, also a crypto where I actually quite like the price action since the low, and since I've relabeled this as a leading diagonal, looks much cleaner, looks much better on the chart. For now, we can see this still as a possible bullish move, absolutely still possible. Especially as we are holding here the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level in this wave 2 in yellow. You can see that here we came down to the 61.8 at $32.30 pretty much. So we've been holding this and we've actually had a bit of a bounce from that level. I mean, we nearly touched the $30 level here. Didn't quite get to it, but we did not substantially break the 61.8% Fib level. So this is certainly something good, yeah, which doesn't mean it couldn't happen. But even if we go lower, we could still pull back to the $29.40 level, which is the 78.6% Fib level, which for a wave 2 also is absolutely possible. And what do we see here now? So for now, Solana obviously was labeled as an impulse up in a leading diagonal. We're then coming down here in this WXY pattern, and we could possibly make a case here for the fact that that wave 2 might be over. However, we should definitely not go below this swing low. That would not be good. I think we might just be doing it right now. So this is the level here at $31.70. If we go below that level, very important swing low will be the $30.88 level. Now, if we go below $38.88, $30.88, then I think we're going to see that 78.6% Fib level that I just mentioned. So this is a key level you need to have on the radar. Even more important than this swing low here at $31.70. This is a key level. When could we be more confident that the wave 2 low is in? So for me, first level of consideration, and that is very important, is here sort of around the $35 mark. Again, it's not always one price point, it's a bit of a range, but the $35 level, if that gets broken, in my opinion, very relevant. And then of course here the next level, and that is of high relevance as well, the $39.30, I would say. There's actually three levels. So let's take a look at that. $35 here. Yeah, that would unlock higher prices, in my opinion, all the way first to $37.20. And every level will raise confidence that we have seen the wave 2 low. Yeah, and then we've got here this $39.40 level, and ultimately we want to get above the wave 1 high. So very clearly here, a break below the wave 2 level would go, so basically here $30.85, I've got it now, that would unlock prices to the 78.6% Fib level. A move above the $35.18 level would first take us to $37.27. If that gets broken, $39.40, and ultimately $42.64. Now, if we see a move above that level here, that last segment here will be challenging because we've got the 50-day moving average in here. So very important. That already stopped Solana on going higher. Now, if we move above really that wave 1 high, that would be of significance. I think then we can move on to that $48.41 level, which ultimately needs to be broken to become more bullish on Solana. So this is the roadmap, how it needs to turn out. These are the key levels. And really, let me just tell you one more thing. If we get below the 78.6% Fib level, so below $29.40, then in my opinion, it will just get much less likely that we really are here in a possible breakout and in an uptrend. Then in my opinion, it gets much more likely that we will see another lower low. This is technically still my primary expectation. It has to be, because we have not yet taken out this 48.41 level. Mentioned it a lot of times now, that until we are below that level, the bearish count, which would be that we just had a wave 3 low here, this is a wave 4 high, and we're now coming down in a wave 5, making ultimately a lower low, possibly into the region of around $19 to $21. That still is very much on the radar, high risk. But I want to show you here possible bullish count, because it is pretty much the first time that we can do this. That there is a real case for a bullish count. So this needs to be on the radar, and if this gets invalidated anyway, then you are aware that it's probably going down. So this is my view about Solana at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.